nice change here, away from the cars. There we go again. Early this time. 12:11, I think. Like a warm shower. It's warm. This is one of the few moments, but yeah, it happened a few times that there's construction on and they decide to just close the whole cycling lane and don't come with a solution. So we went on the sidewalk here, going kind of against the, going in the wrong direction. But there's just, yeah, they decided to just put all these stones here and nowhere to go with your bike. See the sea! The sea there! Finally I can see the sea! Tonight's menu: seasoned beef eye round steak. I made it in little pieces so it's a little bit easier to fry.
Wow.
So this is it. Steaky. It's been an extremely hot night. It was really hot. And now it's just after 9. We're almost ready to go. Just have to do some organizing things. And it's a very early thunderstorm coming. Well, don't know if it will be a thunderstorm, but it's getting really windy. The birds are getting insane around us, so there's something happening there. I like the fresh air though. I mean, last night was so hot. I didn't feel so well this morning, but I just had my fried rice egg stuff and that makes me feel a bit better. Traffic lights. Loads. Miami. We're at Miami Beach. I really like this boardwalk. It's taking time, okay, that's true. We're going really slow, but it's really pretty here in Miami. Much prettier than I expected. Really nice, really chilled. No cars, just us and the pedestrians. Whoa, look at these boats here. This is the tall bridge of Miami. but free for bicycles. See, it's another reason why it's nice to ride a bicycle. You almost go quicker as well. Look, I'm overtaking this fan. Overtaking all these cars in the traffic jam. Like it. There is a cycling path and it brings you the whole way out of Miami. It's pretty good. It's very, very busy. Like you can see, very busy. But we're on a cycling lane, kind of overtaking everyone.
Hello, you want to say something stupid?
We made it to the Keys. Keys.
Here we go.
Here we go. Really fast. That's right, in the next vlog we will be in the Keys. Beaches, snorkeling, sea turtles. It will be fun. Hope to see you soon. We're at Robbie's Marina and we're going to give the fishes fish. Fishes fish. Fish.
Feed the fish.
Feed the fish.
Yeah.